First of all, thank you so much for joining us here on Z Business Digital. My question to you is, what do you feel about this year's union budget, especially when it comes to personal finance?
Neha, I think that it's been a good budget because, there've not been too many changes that are impacting people personally. Of course, the budget had talked about the right language, growth, capex, digital, empowering the underprivileged, and all of that. So I think, from an overall perspective, it's a good budget. And as far as the personal finance changes are concerned, I think there are two key changes that have happened. One, that there is absolute clarity right now on the cryptocurrency taxation. They have called it virtual digital asset, which includes cryptocurrency, it includes NFT, it includes tokens as well. And essentially, what the budget says is that any gains that you make from any of these virtual digital assets is going to get taxed at a flat rate of 30%, irrespective of the tax slab that you might be under. Point number two is that there is going to be a 1% TDS on any digital currency transfer. That means on any transaction, there is going to be a 1% TDS. Also, if you have made losses in these digital currencies, you cannot set them off, you cannot carry forward um, the losses, and you cannot even set them off against gains from cryptocurrencies, right? Finally, if you are giving the cryptocurrency as a gift to someone, then it is fully taxable in the hands of the recipient, right? So I think it's really good now that we have absolute clarity on all the rules with respect to taxation of cryptocurrencies. The second point is that you are allowed to now file a revised return up to a period of 2 years from the relevant assessment year. And I think that's good because I do see people missing out incomes and not sure. And now, with the AIS that's come into play, a lot of people were not able to match it and stuff like that. So I think it's really good that now they have this 2 year period to file revised returns, of course. And I think these are the main changes. Also, for state government employees, now the corporate contribution to NPS in their case can be hiked up to 14%. This is not still there for corporate employees. For corporate employees, the contribution to NPS is still capped at 10% of their basic. So, this is another change that is applicable mainly for state government employees.